Factory car speakers can make your favorite songs sound flat, thin, or weak once you turn up the volume. A good 6x8 speaker can bring clearer vocals, stronger bass, and better detail without taking up extra space. In this video, I'm going over the best 6x8 speakers. These picks cover different price ranges and use cases, so watch the full video to find the option that fits your car, sound goals, and budget best. You can find the product links in the description. If this video helps, hit like, subscribe, and click the notification bell. Any questions? Let me know in the comments. Let's see what the first pick has to offer. Infinity Kappa 683XF, best 6x8 speakers for bass and sound quality. For bass and sound quality, this premium pair is aimed at drivers who want deeper low notes without losing clean vocals or sharp detail. The two-way coaxial layout keeps the woofer and tweeter in one unit, which can make the upgrade less complicated than a separate component setup. The 6-inch +1 glass fiber woofer cone uses a high-roll rubber surround to move more air and give drums and bass lines extra weight. An edge-driven soft dome tweeter covers the upper range, helping voices, guitars, and smaller details sound smoother and less harsh. The speakers are rated for 100 watts RMS and 300 watts at their peak, giving them plenty of headroom for louder listening with a suitable stereo or amplifier. Their biggest strength is balance. You get punchy bass, clear mids, and detailed highs, so the sound does not lean too far in one direction. Both speakers are included, giving you a complete stereo pair. The main drawback is the premium price, and a stronger aftermarket stereo or external amplifier will help you get more from the 100-watt RMS rating. A basic factory system may leave some of their output and bass control unused. For drivers who care most about punchy low notes, smooth highs, and clear detail, this pair stands out as the best choice for bass and sound quality. JBL Club 864F, best 6x8 speakers without an amp. For drivers who want a clear upgrade from factory speakers without adding an external amplifier, this mid-range pair makes a lot of sense. The high 93 decibel sensitivity and 3 ohm impedance help it get strong volume from factory or aftermarket head units. A 6-inch +1 polypropylene woofer uses extra cone area to move more air, giving kick drums and bass lines more body. The edge-driven silk dome tweeter brings out vocals and higher notes with a smoother tone, and the frequency range runs from 65 Hz to 20 kHz. Installation should be simple in many compatible cars, trucks, and SUVs. The set includes 2 speakers and a foam gasket, and buyers often praise the easy fit in factory locations. I'd still check the mounting setup for your vehicle before ordering, since fit can vary between models. The main limit is output. They are rated for 60 watts RMS and 180 watts peak, so pushing them too hard can shorten their life. A few buyers mention crackling or early failure, though most feedback is positive. For a straightforward factory system upgrade, this pair gives you crisp highs, good volume, and useful bass without adding an amp. Kicker 46 CSC 684, best budget 6x8 speakers. This pair gives you a practical way to replace tired factory speakers without spending much. I'd call it a good choice for drivers who want more volume, cleaner detail, and firmer bass on a limited budget. The polypropylene woofer uses an extended voice coil and a large magnet to keep low notes controlled. Its UV-treated foam surround is made to handle heat and sunlight inside a car. Up top, the PEI balanced dome tweeter uses a zero protrusion shape, so it can sit behind many factory grills without getting in the way. The rating reaches 75 watts RMS and 225 watts peak, with 90 decibel sensitivity and a frequency range from 45 Hz to 20 kHz. That gives the pair enough output for daily listening, and it can work from a factory radio or an aftermarket setup. The package includes speaker wire, screws, clips, and wire caps, yet grills are sold separately. Bass will not hit as deep or feel as refined as it does on the premium pick, but that trade-off makes sense at this price. For a low-cost upgrade with clear highs and useful punch, this pair delivers very good value. Rockford Fosgate P1683, best 6x8 3-way coaxial speakers. If clear vocals and detailed high notes matter more than heavy bass, this mid-range pair is a strong pick. Its 3-driver layout separates the sound more carefully than a basic 2-way design. The mineral-filled polypropylene woofer is light and stiff, helping it stay controlled as the volume rises. A butyl rubber surround supports smooth cone movement, and the PEI dome tweeter brings extra detail to voices, guitars, and cymbals. The concealed crossover sits inside the basket, so there is no separate box to mount during installation. The speakers handle 65 watts RMS and 130 watts max. Their 90 decibel sensitivity lets them work well with many factory stereos, though an aftermarket setup can give them more room to play cleanly. I'd call clarity the main strength. Buyers often praise the smooth treble, clear mids, and low distortion at higher volume. Bass has some punch, yet listeners who want deep low-end rumble may still need a subwoofer. The FlexFit basket allows slight mounting adjustments, though some vehicles may need adapter plugs or small changes. For drivers who want sharper detail and a fuller spread of sound, this pair makes a very capable three-way upgrade. Kicker 51, KSS 6804, best 6x8 component speakers. Cleaner imaging starts with placing the high notes closer to ear level instead of leaving every sound down in the door. This premium set gives you that freedom through separate silk dome tweeters and adjustable mounting pods. The polypropylene woofers use rubber surrounds and reach down to 35 Hz, giving drums and bass lines more weight. 1-inch silk dome tweeters cover the upper range with a smoother tone, and the included pods can rotate and tilt to aim the sound at the seats. You can surface mount them, angle them, or choose a cleaner flush-mounted setup. A compact crossover filters the high frequencies sent to the tweeters and offers 0, 4.5, or 9 decibels of tweeter-level adjustment. That lets you calm bright highs or bring out more detail based on the cabin. The system works with 15 to 125 watts RMS, though an aftermarket amplifier in the upper part of that range will bring out its best performance. I'd treat installation as the main trade-off. Separate tweeters, crossovers, and wiring take more time than a coaxial replacement. For drivers willing to put in that extra work, this set brings wider imaging, clear vocals, and a more focused front soundstage. Kicker 43 DSC 6804 Ford Truck Upgrade Kit, best 6x8 speakers for Ford trucks. Replacing all 4 factory door speakers can turn into a bigger job than expected, yet this kit keeps the process simple. At a mid-range price, it gives Ford truck owners 2 speaker pairs and the matching harnesses needed for a full front and rear upgrade. Each speaker uses a polypropylene woofer with a ribbed foam surround, plus a half-inch dome tweeter for clearer highs. The frequency range runs from 45 Hz to 20 kHz, and the 90 decibel sensitivity helps the set play well from a factory radio. Output reaches 50 watts RMS and 200 watts maximum, giving daily music more punch without demanding a complex setup. The strongest feature here is installation. The included harnesses plug into factory connectors, so there is no cutting or soldering. Buyers often report that the mounting holes line up correctly, and some complete all 4 doors in under an hour. I'd keep the vehicle range in mind. This exact bundle is made for Ford F-150 trucks from 1999 through 2014, though it may fit some other Ford models with the same speaker openings and connectors. For those supported trucks, the kit offers cleaner sound, better bass, and a much easier upgrade path than buying every part separately. That completes my look at the best 6x8 speakers. Before you go, explore the other videos on the channel for more guides like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.